Hey guys, alright, so been a couple times they have asked me what I have in my 4Runner. So this series is going to be two different videos, one for the interior, one from the exterior. I'm going to show you the mods that I have done in my 4Runner. We're going to start with the interior, alright? So let's take a look. Alright, so let's begin. I have a few parts of the car, especially the armrest and the handles. I have a carbon fiber wrapped engine, so that's one of them. I also have those little protections, rubber protections that comes in different parts of the car. Alright, so I have that. Let's go inside and show you everything else that I have. Alright, so I have power mirrors. I'll show you guys when I get into the outside how that looks. But for now, that's it. I'm gonna have to turn it on. I have a few things that I need to show you, but the car needs to be on for that. So let's take a look. Alright, so the power folder mirrors. With that, I'm gonna go to another modification that I have done, which is the BSM system right here. That's how I turn it on and off, and that's that light right there. Alright, so that's a BSM system. Alright, follow to that. I have also do the wrapping on the steering wheel, on the door, the back doors as well, the front and the top. Alright, that's another mod. Another mod that I have is the cell phone holder. Gives us space in there for the emergency light. Alright, so that's another one. Have two switches in there for some lights in the front, a bar and ditch lights. I also have a pedal commander installed. I'll show you a few later. I have a front camera and rear camera switch that works for your radio. That's the front. That's the back. Alright, you can turn them on and off anytime you want. I also have the interior center console. Center console is in this part right here. It's plastic dip. So I black it. Also, as you guys can see in here, I have a Carlink Kit system for a wireless phone, CarPlay. So this is the device right here. It has a memory card and also has a cell phone signal, so it can actually work on their own. I have all kinds of stuff in here. I can watch YouTube because of the cell phone signal. Yeah, so I can have YouTube. I also have Spotify. I have Netflix, Hulu, Waze. So just additional thing that I have on my. That way I don't have to connect it to my phone, but also I can actually connect it to my phone with no problem. It has wireless CarPlay. So this AutoKit system is pretty good. I'm happy with it. So that's how it connects to my phone. You can actually set it up to connect automatically every time the phone is nearby. I don't have it set up that way, so I kind of use it by myself, and then the phone and the independent. When I need to connect it, I'll connect it. Another thing that I have is an iPad holder. You might have to go to the other side, but I think you guys can actually see it in there. You also can see my other videos about it. So that's my iPad holder. It's an iPad mini. I can actually put a regular iPad as well, but it has to be on a landscape setting. Alright, so let me log in. Alright, from here, like I showed you guys, I have a pedal commander. You have all those settings in there that you can actually do it. I'm very happy with the pedal commander. My normal ride is Echo +4. A lot of people using City. Mine is just Echo +4. That's my setting. Another thing that I have is OVD connector. Connects to my car. I'm going to show you in a minute where it is. So connects via Bluetooth. It goes to the car, and it gives you all the information that you need. It can also run diagnostics and things like that. Alright, so in a few minutes it's gonna start showing. There it is. So you have a few different settings in here that you can actually customize it for whatever you want. Alright, so that's another setting that I have, another modification that I have on the interior. Another one that I have is, as you guys can see, I have a wireless charger in there. It works great for the phones. But the one thing that I mentioned in my video when I did this is that I'm able to remove it anytime that I want, and I take it with me. So it's not work as a one purpose. Also, the tray is another modification that I have done in there. Alright, so show you my mods in the front. One thing that I forgot to mention, I mention it right now, is I have a digital rearview mirror. So right now it's off. I can turn them on. So that's the back camera. It can actually go up and down. So if I have something hooked in the back in the hitch, I can actually see it in there. Not entirely, but a combination with this one and the rear camera is a great combination. I can actually see everything in there. Alright, so also you can switch that to the front. As a front camera as well, and the camera is right there. I'm going to show you in a minute what the back camera is. Also, you can have split view. There it is, split view. And also with the system, what I have is the sensor. So in case the car is off and parked somewhere and somebody hit my car, it will turn on and it will start recording. So that way I can actually go back and see it, and at least if I can find out who hit me. Alright, so I have those mods. Alright, so on the passenger side, I have another modification. I have this organizer in here. But it has another one that you can actually put in here. There's a separate organizer, but I also have added the two USB ports in there. One 3.0, 2.4, I'm sorry. And I also have another one for like a cigarette lighter connection in there too. Now, what I did is, as you guys can see in the back, I have light in there. Since the glass compartment doesn't have a light, I add that light to it. So when you turn on the lights, you can actually see that light on. Very helpful at night. Here's a strong light, so you guys can actually see it. Alright. Let me see if another thing, just simple stuff, you know, I changed the lights in there so they're more bright and give it more coverage. Alright, so back, really much besides the wrapping, very straightforward, nothing major. And the very back, this is the camera for the back that connects to the mirror. Alright, and I have the mat for the third row seat, that it works independently. I can actually just pull the seats and that's still covered all the time. I also did the MOLLE panel for the back, also works for covering the seats in case I have to put them all the way down to put something in the back. Alright, so I believe those are all the mods that I have done for my 4Runner on the interior. Let me show you as a pedal commander. That's the other connection. Alright, so there we go, guys. that's gonna be the first video for the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and create a video for the exterior, so check it out. Alright, so that's what I got with the mods. Hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys think about something, but that's what I have for my mods. Alright guys, see ya, thanks.